Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Pulse here with the PeakBot team. I am your co-founder and co-host Dillon, joined by co-founder and co-host Ben, and our left and right hand man Thomas in a polo collared shirt today.
How to
Yeah,
do it.
not even a
Beautiful.
polo. That's an actual.
Yeah.
I'm going to work. I'm going into the office collared shirt.
That's a
Yeah,
little, it's got some like patterns on it, like a little stitching. Like it's a little more casual, like Friday
Thomas.
office shirt.
Thomas texts Ben and I before we go live, and he goes, "I got a surprise for you guys on the live show." And we're thinking it's like something exciting or like legitimate, and it was just the fact that he decided to dress appropriately for work for the first time. So we're excited to be here. Another week of trading. We got some exciting stuff on today's show. I know we say that every time, only because it's true, but we have some controversy in PeakBot picks, which we'll be getting to. I don't know how we're going to settle this. It may need to be a live vote. We're not totally sure. But we'll get into that. That's from week 4. We also have to take a look at week 5 with just a few hours remaining. See how our picks are doing this week. We got live hands-free trades coming here in a couple minutes.
I set up my iron condors, so I can definitely share I'll get that ready to go.
In fact, I'm glad you do. One thing that Thomas doesn't even know about that we're going to be introducing here some point. This will just be a one-off thing. We're going to do a speed test. Thomas versus the Iron Condor bot.
Man versus machine.
I won't hit you today with this.
I could do it.
All right. At 12, you're going to pull up the watch list and go place a manual order before PeakBot places the trade for you. You have about 1 minute.
I don't know how we're going to show 2 screens at once, though.
If we can't do that here,
I don't think we can.
We need to figure out how to do that here.
We'll figure that out for next week.
But I'm saying we're going to do this today. But Thomas, we are going to test you to see. By the way, Ben, we won't even need 2 screens up because it's not even going to be close. Thomas is not going to be able to get this order filled before Iron Condor does.
I feel like that's a big test. Honestly, I'd be happy if I couldn't, but I think I can.
All right. Well, we'll see. So excellent. Very excited about that. We'll make sure we have our screens ready for that. I actually just made a last-minute change to my portfolio, which maybe is something we can discuss here today. I wanted to make it before we got on the show due to the fact, and I'm going to pull this up here, due to the fact that I have Etsy, which I've been trading on trend spread here for a little while, reporting earnings. It's highlighted red. So I set it to smart exit, which means close my current spread, don't open the next one, which it would do here in a few minutes. So I am doing that, and I'm actually going in right now, and I'm adding Nike. I looked at it. I like it. Small budget. I'm all about it. I'm throwing Nike on my trend spread, at least right now, maybe more to come. But I wanted to get that up there. I have my Tradier account up and running here, which, by the way, might I add, PeakBot subscribers and those who are working with our premium partners and subscriptions and bots, you can now trade 2 different strategies or subscriptions in one broker account. I'm trading our Max 0DTE SPX bot here along with my PeakBot strategies, 2 separate subscriptions in one account. Anyway, I'm talking a lot. What are we expecting out of you guys here in the next minute or so?
I've just got the account that I'm going to show. I am trading Max's bot on the 0DTE strategy and PeakBot's 1DTE Iron Condor. So we've got 30 seconds until the clock strikes 12, and I will share screen in about 15 seconds. And then we will watch these trades go through. Thomas, in the background, if you want to like just pretend you're getting a trade set up and just let us know.
I kind of want to test it and see if I can.
See if you can do it live.
I kind of want to test it now.
All right, we've got. Oh, I gotta share screen.
Should I share my screen? Oh, you share your screen. No. You're worried about the live trades. I want to see if I can beat the bot, honestly.
Here we go. There are my SPX trades. I did set up actually don't remember the tickers. I think there's 2 or 3 tickers that I set up for the Iron Condor. SPY Qs, maybe IWM. I don't remember. It is 12 o'clock.
I'm flipping over just to see.
Whoa.
They're there. They're there.
Thomas, Ben, we're okay. I'm just switching back and forth here, guys.
You have credit orders?
Huh?
I thought you just had trades.
Well, Ben wanted to get back on his screen,
No, those are your trades, Dylan.
From before.
Those are debits. I thought that said credit.
Oh, no,
Ben disappeared.
Yeah.
Ben's back.
All right, let's keep on Ben's screen for now.
Maybe maybe I pulled up the wrong account.
I was going to say, maybe this isn't a good idea.
I'm thinking I would have won by now, and you guys just didn't want to see me succeed.
That's for today. If Ben's in the right account, that's true.
I think I might be in the wrong account.
Do you want to check?
Dylan, your trades went through, right? Or no?
No, he's on debit orders right there.
Yeah, no, those were fills. Those were fills from earlier. I'm going to keep a close eye. What I'm expecting. Right. Oh, mine just came in.
Oh, they're in.
All right. So my new condors came in. My SPY and my Qs just came in, filled at credit, $43 in credit for my Qs, and $47 in credit for my SPY. Those just opened up. You can see if we look at my PeakBot account on my condors, I'm running 5 SPY, 2 on Q. So that makes sense here, right? Because there's 4 contracts in each condor. So, Ben, what about you?
Yeah, nothing for me yet.
You're in the wrong account.
I think I'm in the wrong account.
It's all right. Ben's trading automated all over the place that he can't even, keep up with. That's okay. So for me, what to expect here could take, could be in the next half hour. I'm expecting my Etsy to close out today as I have that set on smart exit. It should not be opening a new one. And then I'm soon going to be expecting a open on Nike. So we're going to keep an eye on Etsy closing, Nike opening, and that'll be good for me because everything else is wheel trades. So very cool. Hands-free trading. You saw it here. You didn't see it on Ben's account because he was in the wrong account. But I picked up the team as usual. All right. Wow. Silena, happy Friday. Today marks the first week of using the bots and so excited at the growth already. Silene, if you're not careful, we're going to be having you on the show with your live accounts and trades. So thank you so much for sharing that. We're very excited to have you. I believe I've spoken to Silene. I'm sure some of us have as well, but awesome. Gentlemen, if we have trades that come in, let's share them. Okay. Otherwise, Trader Trivia.
Trader Trivia. You guys ready for another round of Trader Trivia? We should come up with like some sort of prize.
I have a good question actually, if you want to see if you can answer it.
Well, I mean,
all right, no, we'll go back. It was honestly pretty cool. Well, it happened yesterday with Tesla earnings.
All right, just say it.
Do you know how rich Elon Musk got overnight? How much richer Elon Musk got overnight with the increase in Tesla?
No.
Take a guess.
So Tesla earnings was yesterday?
Tesla earnings was on Wednesday or Thursday, whatever the jump was in the past couple of days after earnings.
Look at the chart.
Yeah, you want to pull up the chart?
Maybe.
Do you want to take a guess on how much richer he got in like 2 days?
Why don't you just tell us?
Oh, all right, whatever. 24.6 billion.
Okay, but realistically, that's like what, 10% richer? Not that that's not a lot. It's certainly.
I mean, you make 24.6 billion in like 2 days.
So the stock went from 213 roughly to jumped immediately up to 246. Now it's up to 266.
Yeah. He made $24 billion. It's crazy.
That's crazy. It's a good stat. Not a single sell signal on Tesla for the next week.
I think I made a pick.
All right. Well, cheater. I'll
go first.
Ben, Trader Trivia, get us back.
Trader Trivia, and then we have to rock it out to see who wins last week between me and Thomas.
Oh, wait, when did this happen?
Thomas, relax. Let's get through Trader Trivia.
Okay. Trader Trivia. Which company was the fastest to reach a $100 billion valuation, which happened within 1 year of that company going public? Was it A, Amazon, B, Tesla, C, Facebook, or D, Google? Now, I didn't remember out of these companies who did it the fastest. And they were able to do it within a year, but who did it the fastest?
If you have your answer, text us to the number on screen.
So it's the fastest to reach 100 billion in a year?
Silena says D.
She's going with Google. It's just the fastest to reach 100 billion. And this company in particular happened to do it within a year.
Oh,
Okay,
okay. I get you.
So I have my answer. Thomas, if you have yours, hold it. I know we're going to get to Did You Know first. Give people some time to submit their answers.
Text us. Text us for a free quarter. If you're not already a PeakBot subscriber, text us and you can get 3 free months of PeakBot.
Silena, if you were right and the first and you already had a PeakBot subscription, we'll work something out for you. Okay. Did you know?
Did you know, while you guys are thinking about the answer for Trader Trivia, did you know that stock ticker symbols originated as shorthand codes for telegraph operators? Makes sense, right? Because it would take a long time to transmit, as it says here, the full company name is too time consuming. So operators created these short symbols and that just kind of stuck. Makes sense.
Yeah.
And honestly, really good system, in my opinion.
Yeah.
I'd rather just type in 2, 3, 4 digits than a whole company name.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, Microsoft Corporation versus MSFT. You know, I love it. I like it. I love it. It is a good fun fact. I have to say, it's a good fun fact. 1800s, people were telegraphing things. Yeah. If you asked me when the telegraph was invented and in what years they were using it, I don't know what I would have said, but I don't know if I would have said the 1800s. That's early. That seems early.
That does seem early. I probably would have guessed like early night. Like I would imagine like in World War I, that's how they communicated.
Yeah, like through the Great Depression, maybe. Like telegraphing, misery.
And then like World War II is probably, that's when I would say like phones started becoming widely used.
Hey, you know what? They were ahead of their time. I think PeakBot's ahead of our time. I think in another 200 years, a Trader Trivia question or a Did You Know is going to be when was the household name for automated trading established? And the answer is going to be 2024, 2025 PeakBot. But anyway, I have my answer for Trader Trivia.
What is it?
I'm going with.
I'm still confused. I'm still conflicted between.
I don't know. I don't want this to be a stupid answer because I don't know the valuations of these companies, but I don't feel like I need to. I'm going with B Tesla.
All right, I'm going to say right off the bat, like Tesla, I think was a penny stock at one point, so I don't think it can be Tesla. If I'm not mistaken, I think at one point Tesla was only worth a couple bucks a share, like in its early days of going public.
Hey Thomas, you have an answer?
It's between C and D. I want to go like, I know, let's go Facebook because I know that Mark Zuckerberg was the youngest billionaire ever. I don't know how fast he did it.
Amazon was a slow burn, right?
Yeah, Amazon was slow. They were books. Nobody cared about books yet.
They were not books. They were fulfillment.
All right, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Tesla.
It was Facebook. Thomas, you are right. You get 3 months of PeakBot for free.
Wow, that's crazy.
Fun fact, PeakBot, Thomas still paying for PeakBot. Thomas,
I still have to get my credit card out of there.
We refund them.
Yeah, I should refund myself every 3 months.
All right, Facebook. Okay, so
wow.
It makes sense. I mean, it makes total sense. Ben, you and I were what? Were we in middle school going into high school when Facebook came out? It was not before middle school.
No, I think we were in high school when it came out.
I think we were in high school when it came out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thomas, how does that make you feel?
How does that make you feel?
I feel great. I feel established.
Although what do you want me to say? Oh, it makes me feel young.
Yeah, Thomas doesn't know about the caveman and the Geico commercials.
No,
I don't.
And what if I said, dirty mouth, clean it up? Do you know what that is?
Not a clue.
Ben?
That's Orbit.
See, dude? Thomas, it's fine. YT. All right. Great Trader Trivia. We'll check our lines, see if anybody got the answer correct. And if they were first and they are not a current PeakBot subscriber, we're going to get them that. So amazing. Gentlemen, what do we say about we get into some PeakBot picks?
Well, apparently you and Ben have rock, paper, scissors to do.
Well, no. Thomas, we're going to break it down for you. Okay, we're going to tell you what's going on here.
I'm completely unaware of this. Okay,
so here's what we're working with. Okay, so this week, okay, before we get ahead of ourselves, is week 5. What we're competing in right now is week 5. We have standings through week 3 because week 4 needed a live review to determine Thomas's credit spread that finished at the money. Okay, so Thomas, you had a Boeing, and this was live. This is, I believe we spoke about this on our last live show. We checked it Monday, 155. It finished at, Boeing did exactly.
Are you serious?
0.00.
That's crazy.
It's at the money. Now, the discussion Ben and I had was what would happen in the market if you actually took this trade versus what would happen in this competition may not be exactly the same. I think we need to determine collectively as a group right now, what do we want to do here? Because you can see Ben takes the victory if Thomas doesn't get this.
Well, we know what the broker email says. It has to be in the money by 1 penny.
And
I'm not in the money by 1 penny.
Ben,
every PeakBot subscriber has always sent that email saying, am I going to be assigned ? If it's in the money. And it all says by 1 penny. And if I'm not in the money by 1 penny, I expired out of the money. Therefore,
like Thomas wants to lose this competition.
I mean, it sounds like I would win because you're going to lose in rock, paper, scissors. So I think
do we want to just rock it out?
I think I have to.
We need to establish the rules for this competition. I think going forward, let's go by the penny rule.
Yeah.
Because things will change. Like, that's not what's going to actually happen in reality. Like, if we were trading this, that's not what would have happened in reality. Because there's aftermarket movement. People can exercise their contracts. It wouldn't be an auto exercise, but people could manually exercise aftermarket hours, so you could get assigned. So then, I want to give Thomas a shot to get onto the leaderboard.
Okay.
So we're gonna rock it out.
All right, well, we have to establish the rules here.
Moving forward, if we see that scenario, regardless of what side you're on, bullish or bearish, doesn't matter. If you're at the money, are you in or out for this competition?
You get the win.
You take the dub?
You get the W.
Ben,
no,
agree?
I was saying you don't get it.
No, you do get it.
Well,
I think we're going by an auto exercise of the broker. We're not going to go by some random person somewhere.
We're going by this competition that we see.
Yeah, I think
contracts in the money.
But a broker's not going to auto exercise at the money, I don't think.
Exactly. So that's why it'd be a win. You just helped me there, Ben.
Yeah, you might have just helped him there.
You just helped me.
Okay, I understand now. I understand.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So if you're at the money, it's a win.
At the money, it's a win. Okay. It's a win. 3 for 3 then for both of you two. We're gonna rock this out. Okay. Now I'm.
Oh, there he goes.
He said he.
Can you hear me? I was gonna remove myself, but give all.
You can't hear you, Dillon.
You can't do that.
Can't do it. Yep.
You can't do that. Can't hear you.
All right. I just want to be out of the way. Okay.
I think you can blow up the faces and put yourself somewhere else, right?
Well, yeah, it's
all right. We can just.
Yeah, don't worry about it, Dillon.
Live rocks, paper, scissor. Who's counting it out? You guys or me?
You do.
You.
You always do it.
Ready?
All right. Yeah, hold on, please. Please hold. I'm
This
adding the banner. The banner's needed. We needed this banner. Okay. Ready. Rocks, paper, scissors, shoot.
No.
Here we go. Here we go. Rocks, paper, scissors, shoot. Unbelievable. These guys are on the same page. Here we go. Rocks, paper, scissors, shoot. I don't know what to do. I don't know how much longer we're going to do
Thomas,
this.
you got to keep your hand in front of your face.
Yeah, please, Thomas, get in front of your. There you go.
There we go.
Rocks, paper, scissors, shoot. Rocks, paper, scissors, shoot.
No, I went scissors. I thought you would break. But
Ben held strong. Ben stayed with a third consecutive rock.
Ben really went there.
Yeah.
Oh man. So Ben, congratulations. You take the victory. We will be updating that. I got to make note that you won that.
Sorry, Thomas. I really wanted you to win that.
Update.
You keep going for rock.
Week 4 picks.
I'll make it easy for you.
I'm gonna go 4 now. The fact that Dillon's on top of the leaderboard right now.
No, so now it's tied. Ben and I are both 2-2 after week 4. You are 0 for 4.
It's not my fault. I keep losing these rock, paper, scissors. Every time I have like a 3 for 3, everybody else just goes 3 for 3 randomly, and I just lose.
Yeah. So hey, look, there's good news. We're gonna look at our picks for today. and we're gonna see if you got any shot. We're gonna do that right now.
I have a potential shot to go there.
All right, so yeah, so let me pull that up and let's.
Did
let's
I go
get
too
into it.
bearish this week? I don't remember.
Thomas, you had one bearish. We're gonna look at this right now. All right, here we go. Share screen. All right, so we're gonna take a peek here, and then I'm gonna give the screen over to Ben.
Bless you, Ben.
Thank you.
Okay. So, trade ideas, credit spreads, PeakBot picks selected last Friday, expiring today. We got less than 4 hours left in the market, so let's check in. Okay. We're gonna Thomas. You want to go first or last here?
I want to go first. I want to know if I'm at least going to make up for it today.
All right. So we got one bear, two bulls for Thomas. Ben, you got your screen up? How are we looking? We good?
Yeah, we're good. Oxy was first, right?
Oxy, $19 earned in premium, trying to stay below $53. Can we do it?
Below 53.
Very good. Very good.
Done.
The next one we got going on here is bullish J&J, Johnson & Johnson, $20 earned in premium, boring, trying to stay above put spread bullish 162.5.
Ooh, you got some time to recover though.
Let's see the 5-day.
J&J is down $2 today, so if we get a bounce back at the end of the day today, you could be looking pretty solid, Thomas.
Yeah, it's just the end. Just the end right there.
Yikes.
Yeah, you were looking good all week. You see, in reality, if you were trading the smart spread strategy, you probably would have taken profit yesterday, right around this time.
Smart
80%.
spread strategy. Yeah. That is BTF. We should have information on that. We could throw it up in here somewhere in a minute. But
BTF.peakbot.com.
Yep, BTF.peakbot.com.
All the details on that bot are on that domain.
Yes. I was looking for the banner, but it's nowhere. Okay.
All right, what's the next one?
Last one, CMG bullish, $20 earned premium. Thomas,
Ben,
the worst.
G, not J.
CMG. Thomas, really boring premiums out of you. You're really getting desperate for a W. CMG bullish above $58.
All right.
All right. We're going to go 2 for 3. So there's potential that you guys go 1 for 3 here.
There is, but there's also potential that J&J picks it up by the end of the day.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
Yeah, it's
Still
not
12 o'clock. We got 4 hours. We should check the expected move on it, Ben, and see what happens.
All right.
I can do that. I'll do that on a different screen because it's on a broker that we shall not name.
Oh, you could have just set up a tool. It's just a tool. Just another tool. All right, here we go. Ben, you want your bullish DJT first, or you want to go into your bears with GameStop?
I was bullish on DJT.
Yeah, you were. All right, let's hit that first then. Bullish DJT, which is wild. It was so bearish for the last month. 112 in premium earned, trying to stay above $27.
Bam.
That's insane.
Bam.
Let's look at the last week, 2 weeks, month. Look at the month.
Look at that month. Holy cow. That's a bullish month if I ever saw a bullish month.
You must have been losing on DJT these last few weeks then.
No, dude, because
Ben was on bearish for a while.
Yeah, I was bearish for a while, but you know what? The buffer was so high that it didn't even matter.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, the buffer's like 20% or something like crazy. One time,
nice being wrong and winning.
I love being wrong, and the only place you could be wrong and win is selling options.
You were betting bearish on that. Were you taking the trades, Ben, live?
No, I would never trade DJT in my personal portfolio.
On trend spread, it's still, I guess it's very widespread.
Too risky for my palate.
All right. Well, 1 for 1. Bearish GameStop call spread, $12 earned in premium, and trying to stay below 22.5 on GameStop.
We are.
Does it?
All tied up, Thomas.
2 for 2. Bill, ticker BILL. I've never traded it before. I know when you saw it, you were new to it. $30 earned in premium, trying to stay below $56 on a call spread.
Wow, we're close. We are close. I'm on the right side of that, though.
Yeah, you are. Bet is very close. Go to 5-day. Oh, well, it kind of looks like it's at the bottom of this channel. Maybe you're trying
Yeah,
to stay below.
50
I don't know. You could be in trouble.
could be in trouble. I definitely could be. It looks like there's support at the $55 level. This is another example of being wrong. I was bearish on it, right? Yeah. No.
Yeah, bearish. You were bearish on
So
Dill.
sorry, what's my strike?
56.
56.
56. Oh, yeah, I could be in trouble.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. That's how was my strike 56 if I was bearish? Because we made these picks
Ben,
right there.
I'll go to
We
the
made
Slack
these picks.
channel. I pulled this from the Slack channel.
I think we need to go watch that. Should we go watch the
I might have been bullish on this one, and I might be losing on this one.
Well,
Do-
I'm going back to our
week's
messages
show.
from October 18th. I'm not going to do this now. Thomas, go confirm.
That's what I'm doing. I'm going back to last week's show.
Wow, he's going to go look at it. Okay, Thomas is going to might not return. All right.
All right, Dylan, you're up.
I'm pretty sure it's right strike. Okay, Dylan, me, 3 bulls. Okay, 3 put spreads. I took a very, what one would say, a cheap approach, and if it pays off, it's cheap. If it doesn't, you guys will be happy, I'm sure. Walmart, okay, is my first one. That's not the cheap move. After that, I get a little weird
I
with
already
it.
clicked it.
Walmart, 80, trying to stay above 80. Did it.
Yep.
Okay. $20 in premium earned. Lowe's, put spread, bullish, 106 earned in premium, trying to stay above 277.5. No.
Ooh.
No.
Ooh.
That doesn't look good. Can I see the 5-day?
Do you want to hear some bad news?
I was wrong.
Bullish 56.
See, I knew it was bullish. That chart didn't make any sense. So yeah, I'm 2 for 3 right now.
You're 2 for 3. Hey guys, my bad. Hand up. My bad.
You're trying to make me lose here, Dylan.
No, I did this on my phone. My internet was kicked off because
Somebody's got to check the scorekeeper.
My anyway, you guys don't care about my problems. Okay. So I'm 1
Here's
for
the
2 right
5-day.
now.
Big drop on the 22nd.
It's unfortunate, Ben. I'm watching it now. You said you were not sure about it, but you took it anyway.
It's very close either way.
Very unfortunate.
My last one.
If I do win, that's another example of I was wrong. I was bullish on it. Stock went bearish on me, but I could still win.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So I'm gonna have to update that now before I count you wrong when I go and tally this over the weekend. Okay. And then my last one was bullish on SPY, trying to stay over 580. I took SPY
You did take SPY. I remember that now.
over 580. Right now we're there.
Wow.
All right.
Well, while we're looking at SPY, why don't we do a SPY analysis?
Why don't we? While you're doing that,
So
I'm gonna go.
These last 5 days were pretty wild on
Yeah.
SPY. We had our highs and we had our lows, and now we're back to the highs. If we look at the 1-year chart, I mean, it's a pretty clear bullish channel that we've been in over the past year. We've had some pullbacks in middle of April into May, and then middle of July going through to August. Another small pullback in September. So it seems like these pullbacks are getting less and less dramatic as we're getting into the fall and winter here. Last week, I think we said that based on the action we were seeing, we all had a more of a bullish sentiment overall, right?
Yeah.
I can't say that was right? Because we were seeing everything up to here, or up to this bar here, and we kind of dipped down, and we're probably going to end somewhere right around where we ended up last week. So more of a neutral week. And unfortunately, there have been a lot of big swings. So if you were trading with stop losses, you might have gotten stopped out in some trades that you would not have wanted to get stopped out on. I know I got stopped out in some iron condors that I was trading, and I really wish I didn't. But that's how it goes. You got to stick to the rules. That's why we trade with bots. We remove emotion, we remove decision making, we stick to the strategy, we let the bot do the work. Even if it loses, bots will lose sometimes. It's the name of the game. So, anyways, looking into this week going forward, for me personally, just due to this chop that we just saw, and I'm looking back at, last month or the beginning of this month, rather, we had a small pullback. Again, at the beginning of September, we had a small pullback. The difference is at the beginning of November here, we got an election. So I don't know. Nobody knows what's going to happen. Nobody knows how much time or how much price is built in already due to the election, right?
Yeah.
So one other thing that we like to look at is the economic calendar on TradingView. You can do that. Just go to tradingview.com/economic calendar. I filter for the US and I show all events. You could filter for just high importance events and then get a good look at what is happening. So I've got next week's pulled up, next week's high importance events. And there are quite a bit of high importance events here. Now, for me, again, personally, I'm probably not going to be trading iron condors through these events. And I usually like to trade 1 DTE iron condors, but I'm looking at, like, we've got job openings, high importance on Tuesday, nothing on Monday, but on Tuesday, job openings at 10 a.m. in the morning, 8:30 a.m. on Wednesday, GDP, growth rate Thursday, 8:30 a.m. So this is all pre-market. So those 1 DTE iron condors that I usually like to trade might not look so hot throughout pretty much all of next week, except if I get into one today and hold it over the weekend. Monday looks, like there's not a lot of high importance events. If I take that filter off, there sure is still a lot of action happening throughout these days. Whereas opposed to other weeks, not as much action. So any like 1 DTE overnight strategies could be a little bit difficult. For our weekly strategies, I would, not financial advice. Let's get that banner. We haven't had that up once yet today.
Let's get that banner up.
For the 1 DTE strategies, the weekly strategies, these events might be less impactful. However, they, a strong move in the wrong direction might wind up stopping you out of some positions. So worth monitoring. Could be a choppy week coming up, especially it being the week before the election. And then the week of the election, we'll be talking about that next Friday, of course. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I don't know how I'm going to trade it.
Nope. No clue.
We'll have to wait and see.
So, awesome. Thank you for that review. Very helpful.
So let's get into this week's picks.
Let's do it. Right now, Ben wins. I'm updating the status of the leaderboard on Twitter right now. Ben, you can select who wants to go first. Knowing that I'm working on something, but hey, yeah, I'll go first if you want me to.
Ben, I think you should go first.
Why?
Chat support.
You need to handle chat support.
There is one real quick.
All right, Ben, I'll go first.
I got a couple text messages.
It's all right.
Yeah, the texts were just people answering the.
No, text to my cell phone.
People have your personal cell phone, Thomas?
Yeah.
Oh man.
This morning I got a text at 7:15.
Oh, if you guys are watching, please don't text Thomas's personal line.
It's all right.
Text the business line.
They can give us a text. It's not too bad.
Okay. You have to say that, but please don't text Thomas's personal line. I'm gonna go first.
Okay. What a guy. Picks are updated on Twitter.
You gotta mark down my picks, Dillon, correctly. And
I updated it.
Okay. And set the timer.
Oh, I can do that.
Okay.
5 minutes ready when you are. Just give me the
Yep, just refreshing so we can see last updated about 2.5 minutes ago. We are good to go. Start me up.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go.
I'm pulling up the detailed trend spread watch list as I always do. I always like for this competition to filter by buffer. Buffer is just the distance between the sold strike and the current stock price, it's essentially how much room do I have to be wrong? How much does this stock have to move in order for my position to be in the money? Now, if we see anything highlighted in red like this, that means there are upcoming earnings within the next week or so. So I definitely want to avoid those. I personally don't like trading tickers through earnings. Solar Edge Technology, ticker SEDG. We're bearish. Current price is 16.17 and strike price is $18. We'd have to have about an 11% move up. So SEDG, bearish. Solar company looks like a bearish chart overall. If I look at the technical analysis for the week, only 2 buy signals, 15 sell. For the month, even less. Put me down for SEDG. This is a new one. It is, the strike price is $18 and the premium is also $18.
Bullish or bearish?
Bearish.
Okay.
Then we got Sunrun, needing a 9.5 or almost a 9.5% move. It's a solar company as well, so I might not double up on solar. SOX S. I don't remember what ETF that is exactly, but it's gonna, all these are very high, but that's what we would expect with a big buffer. I'm gonna go a little less risky. I'll scroll down to some high. Oh, Thomas loves Cleveland Cliffs.
No, I sold my share a little bit ago.
Yeah, you still
I
love
did.
it.
I
It's
sold them at
neutral.
around.
It's neutral, so I can choose the direction that it's gonna go.
That's a good one, though.
So let's take a look at CLF.
2 minutes and 50 seconds remaining.
Okay, halfway done. Oh yeah, that does look pretty neutral. Let's see what the technical analysis has to say. Yeah, I don't. Oh, that's the 1 day. Sell signals, 3 buy. Yeah, I can see why we're calling that thing neutral right now. All right, let's keep scrolling.
All right.
Upstart, bullish, high risk. Only a small buffer there. I don't love that for high risk. Chewy, neutral, moderate, decent buffer. CHWY. See where we are because I can choose this. It looks like we are moving down since the beginning of September. Take a look at that. Not helpful. Not helpful. I would
1
like
minute and 48 seconds remaining.
I would like to get a bullish in here, but SPXU 4 point. I mean, that's the market. Yeah, I could see us pulling back a little bit before the election. People taking some money out because of uncertainty. So put me in for SPXU. Sold
Bear.
strike of 24.5. It's bearish. 24.5.
Yep.
24.5. Premium of 13. Actually, this is the pro shares. This is the short one. So my logic is wrong there. How much time do I have left?
1 minute and you need 2 picks.
Yeah. I've got the third one in the back of my head.
Okay.
DJT, I feel like he's popping out again.
No, it's not it.
VST.
Huh?
Bullish.
40 seconds.
Tell me when I got 10 seconds.
Bistro.
Not loving that either.
Should I get rid of this SPXU bearish? Got to get rid of that or whatever?
Huh?
Okay. Nothing. Go. Sorry.
Yeah, don't.
All right. I'm going to go bearish. Oh, no. TQs are bullish. I can't break the rules, right? I can't break the rules.
No, you can't break the rules.
All right. I guess I'm going to have
seconds.
I'm going to stick to whatever that last one, not VST, whatever the last one was. And I'm going Walmart.
I knew it, man. I just knew it. I knew. You don't even know the strikes. This really should be submitted as incomplete. You did not report the strikes, and you're taking my pick, which is just outrageous.
Why isn't Walmart? Why isn't Walmart on the watch list?
Is it not on there? I mean, here's what we'll do. Hold on. We can refresh the screen. If it's on there, it suffices. Otherwise, I hate to tell you, you have 2 picks submitted this week. You did not manage your time properly.
So wait, what happens if he goes 2 for 2 on both? That's a disqualification.
He can't. If one of us goes 3 for 3, he's beat.
I feel like that's already your beat.
No, he can. He submitted 2 picks. If his 2 picks beat ours this week, then fine. Walmart's not on the list.
Why isn't Walmart on the list?
You can't be asking us that.
Ben, you're on the wheel watch list.
Yeah, I know, because it wasn't on.
Maybe it's no longer fitting the criteria. Have we considered that?
Really unfortunate.
Look, Ben, Thomas, do you agree? I mean, you have 2 picks.
Yeah, but like I don't know. What if one of us go? I don't know. Like
I'll just take
Thomas,
VST.
you're overcomplicating it.
I'll take VST instead of Walmart.
I don't think that breaks the rules. You're breaking PeakBot pick rules, Ben.
All right, I've got 2 picks this week.
Well, can you pull up the SPXU again really quick? Because I just had it typed out and it deleted itself.
Yep.
All right, so
Pull up
bearish,
SPXU, you were bearish.
24.50 strike, 13 premium.
That's correct. Okay. All right, it's there. Copy, save. Okay. Thomas, me or you?
I'm ready.
Hold on, I get to pick.
Yeah.
Wait, I forgot to pull up my Tradier account.
I say, as long as Thomas doesn't have any requests now on the helpline, Thomas, go for it.
There's nothing in there.
All right. Do you have your screens ready?
Yep, I'm just logging into Mr. Tradier over here.
Okay.
Wait, don't share screen yet. I'm moving you guys over there. And now I'm all set up here. Screen shared.
By the way, I closed my Etsy position from earlier in the show and I entered my Nike position. So I just wanted you guys to know that.
Awesome.
Thank you, Dillon.
Transparent.
You ready, Thomas?
I'm ready.
Here we go.
Yeah.
3,
my screen sharing?
2,
We'll pull it
1.
up.
All right. My plan here, we're gonna go mostly. I want to go bullish. I think we're gonna pick up a tiny bit here. Where's maybe I'll go for like Oxy again. What's that one at? Maybe it's like neutral. Where's Oxy? Why can't I find it? OXY. There we go. Okay, so it's at a bearish 53.
Thomas goes Oxy every week.
It's a great one. It's a winner.
Thomas loves Oxys. Kidding. Not financial advice.
Not financial advice. It's a great one. I feel like I'm lost. Maybe I'm gonna have to pull a Ben here or something.
What? Pull a Ben and not finish?
Yeah, I think. All right, I'm gonna have to go for. All right, let me get some sorting in here. I want to get some budget.
This is a nightmare.
I want a lower budget. I know I'm a little. All right. Hold on. How much time do I have left?
You got 3 minutes and 30 seconds.
All right, I'm gonna try to redeem myself with Johnson & Johnson. Let me just take a look at the chart. It's down today, which I like. On a bullish position, it's found resistance here. Maybe it makes it some support. It's going at a 160, so I'm giving myself all the way down here to maybe make some. Throw me in Johnson & Johnson, 160, $47 in premium. Bullish. 160.
You're good.
All right. Just want to make sure, Dillon.
I'm trying to give you time, son. You haven't called me fat today. It's nice of you. Come on, dude.
All right. You see, you're making me laugh here. It's
Can you
messing me
zoom
up.
in so the good people can see?
Yeah,
Are we
man.
not
How about
zoomed in?
hide that stop sharing button?
Oh, okay. My bad, Dylan.
It's fine, dude. It's fine. Yeah, it's fine.
So there we go. You know, I just found out I could do that like the other day.
Can you
We'll
guys
click and
hear us?
drag.
We're not on screen. Yeah.
You're not on screen, but I can hear you.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Thomas, you have 2 minutes and 22 seconds.
All right.
It's not good.
What's mRNA saying? mRNA bearish. What's the strikes? Short 57. Oh yeah. Oh, maybe not. No, let's go for it. Let's go short.
Go for it.
No, wait. I don't like this little wedge it's making. I don't like that. I don't like that.
1 minute, 48 seconds.
No way. Okay. Airbnb 131.
Our viewers don't get to learn anything with Thomas. He's just it's not true learning, but there's no process. It's
All right.
K.
I just showed you my process. There was a wedge there and I didn't
All right,
like
I'm
it.
sorry.
All right. Airbnb 131. I do like the support there. Look at that. Bullish 131 Airbnb paying $52 in premium.
Okay. Is the ticker ABNB?
ABNB.
And it's bullish.
It's bullish at 131.
All right, 1 minute remaining.
All right. Football Sunday coming up. I need to maybe win my fantasy football game this week. Let's take a look at DraftKings. Neutral, so I can pick here. Technical analysis on the week. Sell. I need a win. But I need a win here too. All right, let's go with what Tradier says. Where's 38? Ooh, 38's a little too close. No, let's go with it. 38.
30 seconds.
38 DraftKings.
Bullish or bearish?
Bearish. $41 in premium. That's a really good return. That's
Lock it in. You got 20 seconds.
Lock it in. I locked it in. I'm done. I'm in. Unlike Ben, couldn't lock it in there.
Okay. Well, good job, Thomas, I think.
This is like the week I'll go 3 for 3. Watch. I'm calling it. I'm going to call it now.
Just with straight chaos. All right. Very cool. Well, I think I'm getting ready here. I'm going to pull up our detailed trend spread watch list on alerts.usepeakbot.com. And we're going to get into it. My goal here is just to be clean. Just want to be clean. I can't say Ben and Thomas were very clean in those selections. So let's see what we can do here. I am ready when you are, Ben. Just give me the countdown.
3, 2, 1, go.
Looking for 2 bulls, 1 bear, going high buffer here. And I am now going to sort, looking for the lowest or the highest low with the highest buffer, if that makes sense. So we're seeing next era energy here, bullish low with a 2.7% buffer, $2 spread, $80 we're trying to stay above for ticker NEE. $80 we're trying to stay above. That's a pretty nice chart. Looks like we may be hitting some support here at 81-ish. I like it. $80 we're trying to stay above. We haven't touched that since October 9th. We're heading down here. Let me just zoom out a little bit. There was support here at 81. I like it. Give me NEE. Who's jotting this down?
I got it.
NEE bullish, $80 strike, earning $17 in premium.
You got it.
Thank you. Nike is neutral. I just took this trade. I'm going to ride or die on Nike. I get to select. Let me see. Let me see what I entered. I think I entered bull. Nike call. I was bearish on Nike. Okay. All right. So, I don't know what to do there. Let's look at the chart. I trust trend spread. In trend spread, we trust. So let's just look here at the technical analysis. Sheesh. Okay. Well, I like it then. I'm going to take the bearish side of Nike. Give me the sold call strike of $81. And I'm earning $40 in premium. Bearish Nike. You got it?
You got it.
All right. Now we're going. I want to, again, okay, we're still sorted by buffer. NEE was the first one in here. I'm still looking for lows. Triple M or Coke. Really like that POP on Coca-Cola. We're trying, and it's neutral, so I can pick. So I'm looking at either staying above 66 or below 69 on KO. Been sliding a little bit as of late. Let's just take a look at the technical analysis. Dead neutral. Man, okay. I don't love it. How much time I got?
You got 2 minutes.
Okay, triple M. Also, I don't like okay. Bullish low. Let's go back to lows. Speaking of low, 262.5. Let's check it. I'll take a look. LOW 262.5. Let's look at the technical analysis. I like it. I love it. I may want some more of it. Man, 5 days. Maybe we're bouncing back here. That's bearish. Seems we may be at a resistance. I like it. Give me lows. We'll write this down. I might switch. Lows bullish 262.5, earning $49 in premium. I may swap it out.
Okay. You got a minute.
Okay, I'm going to look at AXP, trying to stay above the same strike, which is crazy. 262.5, same exact strike. AXP, 262.5. This is almost the same exact stock. This is crazy. Okay, we're bouncing here. 262.5. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Give me this. AXP, replace the last one. AXP bullish above 262.5, $74 in premium. I am going to go take that trade right now.
A little bit more premium there for you.
I'm going to take AXP right now. Look at this chart. I mean, I'm trying to stay above 262.5. I'm done with my picks, but let's just look at this really quick. Above 262.5, the last 3 months, the last time we saw 262.5 was like back in September, about over a month ago. I see we're bouncing back here. Yeah, I like this trade. I'm adding it to trend spread. 750. It's a wide spread, but I have the cash for it. I'm doing it. We're activating.
Do it.
We're activating. That's how these things happen. All right, cool. Well, that trade's added in. That's fun.
Cool.
Send me my picks. I'll get them posted. Couple hours remaining. We'll see what happens with those picks. Just so everybody knows, we did update this. I just want to make sure everybody can see this before we head out. By the way, do we have any announcements or anything?
Yes, we do.
Okay, really quick. I just want everybody to know after week 4 officially, Ben's 2-2. I'm 2-2. Thomas is 0 for 4. Okay, here's how we did it, by the way. I gave you a check mark, Thomas, but it's a red one. We have an asterisk, and you lost rock, paper, scissors.
Wait, is that actually how it is? Rocks, paper, scissors?
It depends. Rock, paper, scissors. Now that I'm saying it, I think I say both. Rocks, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
I think it was just rock, paper, scissors.
Well, to each their own. Teach their own. You know, Gen Z or whatever you are might have eliminated the S. Because
are we not both Gen Z?
Whatever. Doesn't matter.
I don't think so.
I'm a millennial.
No, you're not.
Yeah, we are millennials.
We are millennials.
What?
Google it, dude. You want to stake this week's fate in the competition?
Ben, you When were you born, Ben? 1998. We just went over, right?
No, not even close.
We're not even going to do this.
No, we're not even there. Okay.
Anyways,
We're millennials.
I wanted to bring this up, of course. PeakBot, and we've been mentioning this on our shows. We've been mentioning this in our emails, on socials. PeakBot and Harvested Financial, a registered investment advisor, have teamed up to bring the power of algorithmic trading to the financial advisory world. We have been working very closely with Mark Phillips, the principal of Harvested Financial. Mark was on a show yesterday on the Trader Hub with Lex, talking about this new process that we've got here. Why did we do this? We did this because myself, Dillon, Thomas, we have all heard enough times from enough people, hey guys, I love your bots. I love the technology. Can you guys pick the stocks for me? I just don't want to do that. Or can you guys just manage my bots for me? Because they don't want to do it. So if you are looking for a truly hands-off experience, you could go to hfclient.com
We have a prettier
welcome PeakBot. It's on the banner. I think
we have a prettier link.
Go to hfclient.com. You don't even need to go to the welcome-PeakBot. You'll see it here.
Do we have use peakbot.com/harvested, Ben?
Yes.
And there is that URL as well. Use peakbot.com/harvested, because we are working with Harvested Financial. So what does this look like? What does this whole arrangement look like? Well, you would sign up for a new Tradier account that Harvested Financial will manage for you. Financial advisor will actually work with you to build out a portfolio of automations. And those automations will be PeakBot's automations. So you will be able to leverage the power and technology of our automated trading bots with a financial advisor. So we've been really excited to get this launched. We are launching slowly. We want to make sure this goes well for everybody. We are bringing on 10 new clients per week. We are already booked out for a couple of months doing this. The onboarding process will speed up as we bring more people on. So don't let that deter you. And if you want to jump up in the order, if you want to start sooner rather than later, just one referral will bump you to the top of the list. So if you're interested in this, bring a friend along. You and your friend will get bumped up to the top of the list, unless everybody starts bringing their friends, and it's who's got the most friends. But right now it's bring a friend along and you'll get bumped up to the top of the list, so you can get started as soon as next week with this whole process.
Amazing. Yeah, the power of the referral is big there. We had a gentleman sign up who's probably like seat 53 or so at the time, and made a referral to a couple friends. They all signed up, got in on the first 10 clients to be onboarded here. So power of the referral is real. Go to usepeakbot.com/harvested for, again, a professionally managed account, full hands-free experience, and very excited about that partnership. You can find Mark on the Brew with Lex on the Tradier Hub to see him talking about the partnership. We'll get it up on our.
And Mark will now be a host with us on Monday mornings. At 8:30. It'll be.
He's gonna have a head.
If he gets a headshot before me, no, he doesn't.
He's gonna get a headshot before Thomas. He's gonna get a headshot before Thomas.
I need a headshot up there.
Get on the leaderboard, and we can start talking headshots.
Yes, that's absolutely correct. Get a win, and then we can talk headshot.
I need to get a headshot now. You know, I should take a headshot in this shirt here.
Yes. You just got a haircut. You've got a new shirt. This is prime time.
You know, Dylan said he could do this haircut. I don't believe him.
Now's not the place to question that. My hair doesn't look. I need a haircut. This is long for me. But no, I could cut that. The scissor work gets difficult, but I could do it anyway. As always. If you have questions, feel free to text us, chime in during the live show, or text us the message below on screen. If you want a demo on any of PeakBot's automated strategies, model portfolios, different premium partners, you want to talk to us, schedule time on the calendar below. And of course, this is not financial advice. Am I getting music behind me?
This is your outro music.
Generic rock number one. basically. Well, that's it, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us. We will be live Monday. Mark will be with us on Monday.
Yeah.
We're going to be live Monday with our new host with a headshot, Mark Phillips at Harvesting Financial. Thank you so much for tuning in. As always, see you at the peak. Take care, everybody.
You know how the financial world goes. Here comes the buzzkill. Please make sure to take some time to read this boring disclaimer. We will owe you one.